points about nature. Firstly, I want to explain what the meaning of nature. Nature is the most valuable gift for us. We are living a lovely nature. To save the environment, we must adapt recycling practice that can keep it green. As we know, the motto of recycle 3R, which is reuse, reduce and recycle. For this reason, eco-scientists are trying to come up with ideas. We tend to waste a lot of energy, which is not particularly good the environment. For an example, we use shower head every day. So, shower head has been designed to help us in different ways. For shower head, we can change to interesting product, which can save electricity. Everyone have their own gadget. Most mobile phone can hazardous material and recycling them is difficult and costly. For mobile phone, we can replace them to sunflower seed of mine, but it's very good for us. In my conclusion,